In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up tax rates in Stripe. To get started, sign into your Stripe dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business or workspace. This helps prevent adding tax settings in the wrong place. After that, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Product Catalog. This is where Stripe organizes products, pricing, and related settings, including tax rates. If you're new to the dashboard layout, don't worry. Just follow the navigation carefully, and you should find it without much trouble. Inside the Product Catalog section, open the Tax Rates tab. This area is specifically designed for creating and managing the tax rates you want to apply to your products or services. It's a good place to review any rates you may already have set up before creating a new one. Next, click Add Tax Rate. This will open the setup form, where you'll enter the details Stripe needs in order to create the new tax rate. Start by selecting the type of tax. For example, you might choose sales tax, depending on what applies to your business. This choice is important because it helps label the tax correctly and keeps your records organized. Then choose the appropriate region. Make sure you select the location that matches where the tax should apply. This is especially important if your business operates in multiple states, provinces, or countries, since tax rules can vary depending on the region. Once that's done, enter the rate percentage you want to charge. Be careful here, because even a small typo can affect how much your customers are billed. It's always a good idea to double-check the percentage before moving on. Next, decide whether you want to include tax in the price or keep it exclusive. If tax is included in the price, the customer sees one final amount. If it's exclusive, the tax is added on top during checkout. Choose the option that matches how you want pricing to appear to your customers and how your business normally handles billing. You can also add a description if you want to make the tax rate easier to identify later. This part is optional, but it can be helpful for internal organization, especially if you plan to create multiple tax rates for different regions or tax types. When everything looks correct, click Add Tax Rate to save it. Your new tax rate will then be available for use in Stripe. Thanks for watching.